Let me see here. So we got the other paper here. Yeah, it's here. In addition to new comics, I got new information from, guess what? Social Security. They sent me an unverified letter as far as overpayment, and telling me that I should, come in to their local office on 1170 Harvard Way. Um, I'm working. I can't come in. So what I did essentially is I tried to call them. It's my days off, and they want me to come in Tuesday on the April 4th, 2017, between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. That's an all-day process. There's no way I can do it. So basically, I ended up writing them at the Gov site. It says, when we talk to you, please try to have all the items shown below from July 1st, 2016 to present. These people are, they don't get it. Um, Here's that, but on the bottom it says that, but there's nothing there. There's nothing there. They keep sending me these review letters, and they told me that I have an overpayment to them of $4,689.57. Right. No, I don't. I don't have an overpayment to them. I gave them the information at Harvard Way as far as when I worked, and that was a very difficult process. I didn't like that, and now they're telling me that they overpaid me. But I have a job now, so I can't go down there. So I wrote them and told them I got a job, blah, 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 which may lead to me actually getting cut off. Gee, isn't it nice? Isn't it nice to know that SSA will back you up when you're trying to work and get off SSA, instead of fucking, sending you letters that are giving you, what is it, mental anguish, in the process of actually trying to make, a better life for yourself. Which means I can't back up on SSA. They sent me a letter before, something regulated to that. Instructions for another thing that I had to send off through the mail, which I already did. I'm getting sick of this shit. I'm getting sick of SSA. I know it's a neat color, isn't it? I'm getting sick of their shit. I'm getting sick of this. Is the thing about SSA. They dole out this meager income, but they threaten you when to cut you off or whatever. With these documents that I got. With respect to, trying to get a job or whatever. Well, what if I get fired? I'm sick of this shit with them. Okay, this has been a long time in coming. I don't want to rely on them, but then again, I don't want to rely on my own money to pay the rent every fucking month. Therefore, I'm going to post this video on my regular site, as well as the comic books I just got. New comics didn't cost me much, but they're issues I had when I was a kid, stuff like that. Some of mine didn't, but I'm a collector, and I can't keep going through this with them. They're driving me nuts, So I can't come in on the date that they specify because I work from 8 a.m. till 4:30 p.m. And I started this road with them, and I called Ticket to Work program, and I said I'd like to be a Ticket to Work. Well, the vocational rehab place down here by the airport where I live, this fuckers, they didn't acknowledge themselves as an EN with um, the Ticket to Work program. And I explicitly told them multiple times I have to have an EN for a Ticket to Work. And this woman denied it and denied it and denied it, and then she moved on to another job. It's like, it's bullshit, you know? I have to go through this rigmarole with them, or I'm going to get cut off. And I have to depend completely on the fucking job. Well, I got another backup plan, and I've shown this before, and I'm going to show it again. It's probably above this video on Facebook. If you want to go to Facebook, Comic Mart USA, and see the roulette formula that I want to use, which is delayed because I just cashed the check that I got for 200 and some odd, $80 or whatever it is, 287. I had to take 100 out so I could get another bus pass to get to work. It's the middle of the month almost. If I get a bus pass now for 30 days, it'll expire. Well, I don't know if it'll expire or not, but I'd rather get a 10-day pass because this money is going in on Monday. They've delayed my time. I wanted to take at least a percentage of that money. They didn't give me my whole check like they should have for the entire 2 weeks. It's too much bullshit, you know? I can't even go do what I need to do in order to do what I want to do because they're threatening me back and forth. So now I gotta watch my money real carefully because if I don't pay rent, I'm fucked. So now I gotta watch the money and work, and if SSA cuts me off, then, you know, all this shit. So it's like I'm living on the edge. But I want to take at least $200 or $300 and go to the roulette machine or the table. I'm thinking the machine might be better, but then again, the roulette table is $5 a pop. I don't want to spend $5 a pop. But I'm debating that part right now between which one I want to do. But I'm going to do it online, live on Facebook roulette, you know, live and make a video of that. Sick of it. Sick of SSA. If I have to, I'll depend on this job. But I can't quit until I can make the transition from one level of finances to the other, because working these 5 days doesn't give you a chance to do anything. You know, it's like, how do you fucking get to the next level of a position when I'm this old? And, you know, I'm in my 50s right now, but by the time I reach 68 or 69, which is like 10, 15 years away, I'm going to be too old to do this job. I've got to have something that makes me good money, you know, real good money, so I can get out of this and get out of work and get out of this other shit, because it's bullshit. It's slavery. And I'm so sick of going through this with the government and these evil corporations and these people. I watched a movie called Ungrip. It's in my favorites section on my YouTube site at Comic Mart USA user. But at Comic Mart USA Facebook, I just post these videos exclusively. My friend's in dire straits. I'm in dire straits. I can't get a woman because the room's so small. It's actually not worth the $480 because it doesn't have any amenities other than a microwave, a crappy bed, and it seemed nice when I first moved in, but and a microwave over there and back. You can see that. Now I got to do laundry, waste that time. My time's being wasted. I'm getting sick of it. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, but how do you fucking get out of this shit? How do you make the millions of dollars? You know, because it's getting old. These people have wasted my time. These corporations have wasted my time. They've wasted my life. And they're evil. To me, they're evil people. Because they set up this corporate system a long time ago, and I think God's going to judge it in the end. But I'm really fed up with this crap. You know, I'm like a financial martyr or something. Where's the kill switch?